Hi everyone, in today's English conversation lesson we're going to talk about compressing or blending. So, a very common feature in North American English is that when we use certain phrases, we tend to blend words and eliminate certain sounds. So, I'll give you an example. Let's say that I wanted to say the phrase, tell him I said hello. Instead of tell him, very commonly this will be compressed or blended and it will sound like tell him. Tell him I said hello. This also applies to her. Instead of tell her, which is fine if you want to say tell her I said hello, this very commonly will be blended together or compressed. Tell her. Tell her I said hello. Now, if you remember, I first mentioned tell them, right? Tell them. Keep in mind this has to be spoken at conversation speed. If you say this slower, tell them, it sounds weird. So this is like a conversation speed. If you speak slower, you should say him. Tell him I said hello. But tell him, like tell him I said hello, this is also tricky because what happens is tell him could also apply to tell them. So let's use an example. I wanted to ask about two friends, so I'm speaking to this other person, and I ask, how are these two mutual friends? And this person replies, they're fine, and I want to convey to this person, please tell them that I said hello. I could say them, tell them I said hello, or simply I will compress or blend this and say, tell them. Tell them I said hello. There you have it. Hope this tip helps you.